Okay, we are back, and apologies for not having a video yesterday. I took a day off. I took a day off from the sauna because I was playing Hearthstone all day and I kind of lost track of time, and by that time it was too late, and then it was dinner time, and then it was just... Today's fine. You don't need one every day, and it probably won't continue to be every day. It'll probably be every second day for now on maybe. But to make it up to you, we are going to do an incredible drum camp today, and a drummer that has inspired me for absolute years and years and years and years and years. And his name is Gavin Harrison, and he used to play for Porcupine Tree. And he now plays with King Crimson and Pineapple Thief, and without a doubt he is one of the best drummers, in my opinion, to ever walk the face of the earth. Gavin Harrison rewrites time, essentially. He is absolutely incredible. His feel is out of this world. His groove is second to none, and his playing never exceeds the music. You're never in the song like, that was a bit much. Maybe that could have been toned down. Never. There is never too much Gavin Harrison. So let's just drive straight in, and we'll take a look at Gavin Harrison playing Sound of Muzak live. It's just a drum cam of him live. I'm not quite sure where it is, but we'll take a look.
Please give a warm welcome to Gavin Harrison.
So the main verse is in 7/4. There's a big discussion about maybe it was broken down into more subdivisions than that before. I know there was a huge argument online about what time signature the main verse was in, but it's confirmed it is 7/4. I mean, you can just count it, but officially it's 7/4. That snare. That's just a chorus, and the chorus is in 4/4. One of those rare prog songs that goes from prog straight down. I mean, we need to take a moment to appreciate the tone of that snare drum as well. Gavin's played as well, it's so tasteful. There's never a minute where he's overplayed, where it misconstrues the music or overpowers the music. You know, everything he plays fits, and it fits properly. Like, as a drummer, trust me, there is nothing wrong with just grooving. You don't need to fill at the end of every 8 bars. You don't need to. Offbeats on the bell of the ride. The fills don't even have to be big and complex either, but the tone of these drums makes everything sound good. Flams off the toms against the snare. Axis pedals.
One of the wonders of the world is going down. It's going down, I know. It's one of the blunders of the world.
Come on, Gavin. Do it! Do it! It's so smooth. It's so smooth. Everything about his playing is just so formulated. Everything he does. This whole song's like a progressive build, drum-wise anyway, you know? He's very rarely on the crash and China cymbals in the first sort of 3 minutes. And then once everything picks up, he's really aggressive and he's on them. That's how you write a successful build-up. The less you stay on your crash and Chinas through a song, the more effective they are when they finally arrive. I mean, where do you even start with a piece like that? I mean, literally everything flows so well. Everything sounds so crisp, so warm, so tonal. It's probably the best sounding drum kit live I've ever heard. Anyway, you know, a lot of times you hear the toms are, you know, deeply embedded in the lows, but these toms sit really high and they're really warm. And the snare, I think Gavin plays with a 13-inch snare. I think that helps. A lot of people play 14, but I think Gavin plays with a 13. Almost like a piccolo sort of snare. But you can't argue with the tone. I mean, I'm not sure if it's him who has a personal input in the sound of the drum kit or is it a sound engineer, but either way, both of them absolute big ups because the sound is absolutely incredible. I hope that this video has brought life to Porcupine Tree for at least one person who didn't know they existed. Because you need to go and listen to more. The Anesthetized album, the Alive album, is absolutely incredible. You know, mind-blowing. It's just a series of 12, 13 tracks that will honestly just take you on a musical journey that you've never experienced before. It's such a shame they don't play anymore, you know? You know, the world lost a treasure when they stopped playing, but hey-ho, such is life. So, I'm not quite sure what we're going to do for the next one. I have a few recommendations. I don't know. We'll see. I kind of want to stay in this sort of the metal genre, prog sort of genre, but I mean, look, I'll look at anything. I'll look at any recommendation that has a drum kit in it. So, think of the craziest drum cam you can ever think of. Let me know in the comments. There's not going to be a video tomorrow, but there will be one the day after. We're going to do it in every 2 days now. And when we hit 100 subs, if I ever hit 100 subs, probably highly unlikely, but if we do, at every 100 sub mark, I will release a drum cover. And that will be the theme we'll go with up until maybe 1,000. And then if we hit 1,000, then I'm going to have to really start doing something a bit more special than just sitting here at a computer. So, leave a comment with the next one. That was Gavin Harrison playing Sound of Music. See you next time.